What's up guys, welcome to the 14th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about pointer arithmetic with expressions. Without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is go here and type float. Then use, you'll see what I did that in a minute. So we're using an array of floats. I would say equals curly braces 30, 55, and then just 90 or whatever. Close that off. Okay, now the main program, so we say int main curly braces float asterisk dp equals ampersand Jews zero. Close that off. Next line we can say a for loop, initialize it int I. The condition can be I is less than 3, and we increment that, and the statement can be std cout asterisk dp plus 1. Close that off, and then there you go. I'm getting some sort of error, so I'll just click this. What is this? Use of undeclared identifier I int equals 0. Okay, let's run through this program all over again. So where it says float Jews with square brackets, we have an array of floats. Where it says float asterisk, so this line, it's a pointer to a float initialized with the first element of array. And here, where we print it all out, reference element through expression that adds pointer value and loop iterating integer. Okay, let's just compile this to see what we get. We'll just press execute. Build succeeded, and there you go, 55, 55, 55. Is that correct? That is the first question. That is incorrect. This should be I. This should not be 1. So if I save that now, if I execute it, there you go, 30, 55, and 90. Just put a new line here if I want to. Save that. Execute. 30, 55, 90. There you go. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.